Hi guys, welcome to Engineer Hacks. This video can change your life, so watch the video till the end. Let's get started without wasting any more time. Most of the big IT MNCs like Wipro, TCS, Infosys conduct aptitude tests as a first round of hiring. And other external platforms like MCAT, Elitmus, CoCubes conduct aptitude test. For this test, you have to pay some amount of money and getting interview call depends on your score. The higher you score, the higher you have chance of getting a call from a good company. The reason behind why most companies conduct aptitude test is it reveals candidate problem solving skills, time management skills, critical thinking and many more.
MCAT test pattern has difficulty level varying from easy to moderate, and companies hiring through MCAT pays up to 5 LPA. CoCube test pattern has difficulty level varying from moderate to hard, and companies hiring through CoCubes pays up to 6 to 7 LPA. A-Litmus test pattern has difficulty level varying from hard to very hard, and companies hiring through A-Litmus pays up to 12 LPA. E-Litmus test does not contain technical section, while MCAT and CoCubes contain technical section also.
Cracking an aptitude test is not an easy task. Question is how you can crack aptitude test of any company. Here is the simple answer. Solve as much as question you can. Practice company's specific aptitude test. I have all the MCAT, CoCubes, Elitmus and company's specific preparation material which is having 2000 plus question.
With the help of this preparation material, I have cracked most of the big IT MNC companies' aptitude test like SAP Labs, Wipro, Cognizant, Mindtree, and many more.
I can send you all the preparation material. All you have to do is I have mentioned my Paytm number in the description box. You have to pay 20 rupees and send me a screenshot over my email. I will send you all the preparation material over email. 20 rupees is not a big amount. With the help of this material, you can land a job in one of your dream companies. If you have any questions or queries, comments below. I will definitely respond to your queries and comments.